We understand the fact that we have to bring value to your planning and to your finances. Otherwise, there's no reason for us to be involved. Our staff understands that customer service is extremely important. And while good customer service is somewhat of a cliche phrase these days, it's one of the driving forces behind what we do.
Hard work is something I've noticed about Randy since day one. He's always willing to go above and beyond.
This industry is more than just selling financial products. It's about building relationships and earning people's trust.
The longer I work here, the more I realize it's more than just about finances and money. It's about changing people's lives and becoming family.
Randy is very low pressure when I think about him and what he's doing for this business.
If you saw what goes on here behind the scenes, you would see that Randy is always one step ahead of the game.
I've known the Yeisleys for about 10 years, and their love and passion for their clients is really something that makes them a leader in the industry.
Hey, it's Sean Hannity here. Here in Wichita, you need to know Randy Yeisley and the team at Yeisley Financial Group. They say what they mean what they say, and there's never any doubt about where they stand.
When you meet with Randy, you're getting the real deal. He has a standard of excellence, not only for his business, but for his own personal life and for our whole entire team. He's upright and honest, and when you talk to him about your finances, you can expect nothing but integrity and the highest quality of care.